Hey folks, watching a double bottom at single prints where the old overnight low is. Should be a humdinger. Here you can see, look at all the buying on the bid. 720 contracts on the bid here, 547 here, right? As you can see, they're trying to soak up the supply before the stops get run, because shorts are going to come in to an area where they know there's going to be selling and try and outbid each other to cover their product. Now, given that overnight inventory is 100% short and we've been down here for a while, we do have a double bottom, right? Now, do I expect that to break? Maybe, given the order flow. Now, if that holds, this double bottom here holds, it's telling us that the supply is running out. Now, it might hold for a few minutes, but what's going on here, and if everybody wants to understand what is actually happening when you see a double bottom, the shorts are coming in an area where we expect them to come in. These are single prints. These are single prints from, I believe it was the 11th, right, when we had that trend day higher. Okay. And single prints are short being trapped without supply. So we're currently in this set of single prints. There's another set below us right underneath the 42, 44 stops. And these single prints are an area that I would look for responsive buying if this breaks and comes down into it. Right now, what the large traders are doing is they're trying to get their shorts covered here. That's why you see size, right? You see size on the bid and you also see size on the offer. Now you get size on the offer and that occurs and delta will go up because when you run out of supply on the bid, delta starts going higher because people start taking the offer. And that's what causes this cumulative up down tick volume to start moving higher. So if you see price stabilizing, delta stabilizing, and then it starts to turn higher, you know that there's not that much supply on the bid and the shorts are going in and covering. As soon as the shorts see that there is supply, they will drop their buy orders because they're opportunistic, right? It's smart business. You drop your buy orders and you see whether or not the seller will follow you down. If the seller doesn't follow you down, you've got to move your buy order back up. Now, this is happening instantaneously because of electronic execution, not like the old days where you had to manually do this stuff, right? But that is the business hasn't changed in 200 years, right? It's still up, down, up, down. That's why you're getting this chop. So for newer traders, right, and who aren't really that experienced, and if you kind of want to watch this to see what the big guys do, if we run out of supply, we will get back over the T plus 2 low at 42.55 and over 42.57 and run that stop. If we don't run out of supply, see the volume point of control is here. So this is where all the action is taking place because under the T plus 2 low or the low of 2 days ago, that's where the shorts will be bid, meaning that's where they're trying to recover the some of the position because they've been short all the way over to 42.57. This is a key area where they're going to come in and start to cover, right? So we just watch that, and this will tell us a lot going forward. If that double bottom holds, right, then we've got no supply, and the rest of Globex will start creeping back higher, right? Do I expect it to hold? I don't really think so because we've got 4 or 5 days of inventory over 42.57. But hey, you never know, right? We're coming up to an area here at 52, right, where we have people stuck long over it. So we're going to see a little bit of selling. It's going to take some time. And remember, now it's what, 6 in the morning in New York. So, just be a little patient, watch and see how this resolves itself, and then take the trade, right? You see your delta started creeping up because we ran out of supply under 52, so the market's going higher to look for supply. When markets go up, they're looking for supply. When they go down, they're looking for demand. They're looking for buying. Have a great, great weekend, and we'll see you all soon. Bye for now. I'm JJ at microefutures.com. Come hang out with us if you want to learn how to trade with people who actually move price. Have a great weekend.